Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are perfectly fine, fit and healthy. I am Mrunal once again welcomes you to my channel Toda Helping Harvest. Today we are walking through the process of planting and growing potatoes in the balcony easily. It is very easy and one of my favorite vegetable to plant because everything happens under the soil, and at the harvest you are getting good returns of your hard work and patience till the time you have to wait. In India, this is the perfect time to plant potatoes in winter with a moderately cool temperature because vegetative growth of plants and tuber development is best in this time. Okay, then let's see what are the requirements to start planting potatoes in your balcony or your backyard. Before starting, I request you to subscribe my channel if you have not done before and hit the bell icon so you can catch my new videos easily right away in your inbox. So what are the steps to follow to grow potatoes in your balcony? Step number 1. Finding right spot in your balcony or backyard. Find the spot which receives lots of sunlight, minimum 6 to 8 hours in day. Minimum 6 hours are sufficient for the good growth. This is my spot to east facing of my balcony and you can see the growth. Step 2. To make sure your soil is right. Potatoes like light and naturally loose soil because plant required to form potatoes or tubers under the soil and they need room and space to grow without any resistance for enlargement. pH of your soil from 5 to 6 is considered to be ideal. If you are not aware about pH of your soil, then don't worry. Use good compost, farmyard manure, and it will be maintained naturally. I prepared my soil by using 40% soil, 30% coco peat, 30% farmyard manure. So this is ideal for planting potatoes. Step number 3. Add started fertilizers to your soil. As we are growing potatoes organically, therefore I use only farmyard manure to fulfill the nutrient requirement. As a starter, I added 30% compost while preparing soil to fill these crates, and at every month I have given same good farmyard manure to my potatoes. What is farmyard manure? Farmyard manure is a decomposed mixture of dung and cow urine, and it is contains 0.5% nitrogen, 0.2% P2O5, that is phosphorus pentoxide, and 0.5% K2O, which is potassium oxide. Farmyard manure is very rich in K, that is potash, and is very good for good yield. Now step number 4. Selecting good seeds for planting. Potato is cultivated by planting tubers, and healthy seed tubers is the primary requirement for successful crop. The tuber seed should be disease free well sprouted and 30 to 40 gram each in weight. It is advisable to use the entire seed tuber for planting. Also, big seed potatoes which more than 2 sprouts can be cut into 2 pieces for planting. Step number 5. Planting seed. We have planted Khufri Pukhraj variety. This is early bulking variety and recommended to plant in Western Maharashtra region. It becomes ready to harvest in between 70 to 90 days. Plants of this variety are tall, erect and vigorous, and you can see how the growth of our plant is. How we did. We have taken these plastic crates and installed green net inside. You can add plastic thick paper also, but don't forget to make holes if you are installing plastic paper. Then we have taken garden soil, coco peat and farmyard manure with 30, 40, 30, 30 proportion. Soil is added in the crates covering 75% volume of crates because after germination at 30 days of sowing, we need to add additional soil with a farmyard manure to support the plants. We have planted 3 seeds of potatoes at equal distance and 6 to 8 centimeter in depth. So, in this way, we have planted total 15 seeds in a 5 plastic crates. These plants are now exactly 60 days after sowing. Thanks for watching and understanding potato sowing in balcony. I hope you enjoy this video. Keep sharing with your friends. I will definitely share my harvest video very soon. So